Hello, hello, hello everyone. Let's lower this music down. Let's go to my scene. How are we all doing today? How is everyone doing on this fine Monday morning? Or, well, afternoon now. It is afternoon now. How are we all doing? Hope you're all doing well. We have got some nice action today on NAKD. We love to see it. The sun is shining. NAKD's booming. We love to see it. How is everyone doing in the chat? I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Hope you're all being productive. Got your stuff together. Cosmo, what's good? Sicko Man, what's good? Hope you're all doing well. We are going to get cracking with this very, very shortly. Papa Gorilla, I see you, my guy. Ziegler. Yeah, all green indeed. All green indeed. We love to see it. We're seeing some nice action. And as you can see, my canal was right. Look at how we've managed to stay within this canal. This is beautiful stuff right here. This is absolutely beautiful. Let's just quickly adjust that. Look at it, man. It's beautiful. It really is. I can actually change this up a little bit. Now we've got a few more levels of resistance at the top here. Look at that, man. That's a very nice wedge. Yo, we are doing good today, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. We're going to get into the meat and potatoes of this live stream, right? And we're going to have a quick chat about NAKD, right? So, first and foremost, NAKD is looking very, very juicy today. We have seen some beautiful, beautiful price action today. And, you know, we've seen a lot of green. We've seen more buying than selling today, as sort of shown by the RSI. You sort of see we're currently around 70. So we're looking good, but the stock is currently in the overbought section. So that is a very, very good thing right now. And looking at the MACD, again, bullish. We'd love to see it. It's above the green. So it's in a bullish formation right now. So we could see some nice price action on this in the upcoming... well, the upcoming session, really. It's going to be very, very interesting to see. What about the volume? Nice lot of volume in. Yeah, this is looking really good today. What about, let's get that up. I'm assuming you can all see that. So you can sort of see what the price action has been today. So according to this, there has still been more selling, but I assume the buying action has been for a higher price, and that's what's influenced the price to go up. So that is a very, very good thing. And as you can see, the price filled. You see a lot of price action around this 6.5 to 6.4 mark. So this is all positives right here. Holding and buying, we love to see it. Greetings from Italy. Nice. Greetings from the UK, Cosmo. Appreciate you sticking around. Anna, what's good? Welcome, welcome, welcome. And Jose, welcome to the live stream, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. It's been a while since I didn't upload a tour over the weekend. I've just been busy. I mean, trying to get everything together. Yo, Anna, what's good? Welcome. We are doing well today. Wait, 21 viewers. I've just started. Welcome to the live stream, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. NAKT Army do be strong right now. We love to see it. They're coming out in full force. The apes of the nation. It's like Planet of the Apes right here. You're able to load up at 63 cents. We love to see that. What's my portfolio looking like at the moment? Let me have a quick check on my phone real quick. My portfolio right now. So my average price for NAKD, because I've kept buying like the whole way through. So my average price now is 57 cents. I'm not sure if you all can see that on my screen. But yeah, it's 57 cents. Yo, Sev, the $5. Yo, I appreciate that, my guy. My favorite live, how you doing, brother? We're going to the moon. Do you think we might hit $1 by the end of this week? I think, right, $1 by the end of the week is looking good. If we can continue in this upward trend, potentially, I'm not sure. We're going to see it. We're going to see a little bit more volume for that to happen, but it could definitely happen. You know. Where's my Lambo? Kaya, it's coming, all right. Like, where's my Lambo? I need a Lambo. I'm on the stream budget still. Yo, welcome to the stream, everyone, man. 21 viewers. How is it going? Yo, you lot have just overloaded me. Like, what is this? Yo, I appreciate you all stopping by. So, yeah, like I was saying, you know, everything today for NAKD is looking very bullish. We are looking very nice today. Like I said, the MACD is bullish. The RSI is currently overbought, so that's all positive signs. A lot of demand in the stock. So we are looking very, very good right now. Yo, Murat, how's it going? Are we over $1 before Friday? Potentially, my friend, potentially. We need to see more volume in the stock, but it could definitely happen in the future. Definitely. Papa Gorilla with the $5. Yo, Julia, relax. Relax. This is madness. Yo, I appreciate you all so, so much. How much more volume? So the volume, so right now, right? So we're currently on overbought, which is good. We want it to be overbought because that means that people are buying into this stock at the moment. But we just need a little bit more price action. And, you know, I genuinely think this could hit $1 by Friday, potentially. But we are going to have to see, we're going to have to see this go above 80 at some point. This RSI, we're going to need to keep it almost above 80. So that's going to increase the price drastically. So I'm hoping that does happen. I'm invested in NAKD and Doge and NFT art finance. Yeah, mate. What's Doge looking like at the moment? How are we looking? Are we looking on Doge right now? Anyone know? I may pull up another tab actually for Doge. Oh wait, is that what's done on here? Yeah, there you go. How are we looking on Doge at the moment? I've got a lot of investment in TRX and it went downhill very quickly. Wait. Oh yeah. Wait. What about this cake stock or this cake thing? Wait. Where's Doge? Can we? There it is. So Doge is currently looking at 26 cents. That's gone up from last time I checked it. So that's a little bit up. Not too much though. Why are we going? Are you saying like why are we going up? Or so the reason why NAKD is currently going up is because we've seen a nice amount of volume in the stock, and also as well I don't think the shorters have really activated their machines yet, so you know that's definitely helped with the price action so far. Yo Dave, what's good? Welcome. What up NAKD? I'm not gonna repeat that one. So yeah, wait, what was it? At market open, available shorts was 1 mil, now 150k impact. Oh, that's interesting. Well, potentially, right, because we did see it have a run up here, up to 68 cents, and we have seen a pullback down to 64 cents. So that could have been the shorts being utilized, potentially. That could have been what happened there. Was that on Fintel, that information, was it? Or where was that on? Was that Ortex or Fintel? Very interesting stuff, though. How do we get them to activate the buybacks? So to get them to activate the buybacks, we need to keep buying, we need to keep holding. That's how that's going to happen, because what's going to happen is at some point, NAKD at any point can say, look, we want our shares back within the company, because what they're doing is technically they're creating shares which don't exist in the company, right? So at any point, NAKD can recall those shares, and we're just sort of playing the time game because they have made contracts with NAKD holders. So what that sort of does is it's create a contract with NAKD and the brand, right? And it's going to drag back, and they're going to have to pay up basically. So, and for an inflated price as well. At what price would they start buying stocks back? Seb, your guess is as good as mine, my friend. But in honesty, because of how, right, if the dark pools are them shorting further, this stock could reach massive heights, honestly. Like, we saw how much volume was getting put in these dark pools. It was insane. So honestly, this could be an absolutely massive squeeze if those dark pools were used for this. And even if they're using to buy back shares, when that information comes out, NAKD is still going to skyrocket, because if NAKD was trading at $100 to $200, $300 in these dark pools, then that's going to really increase the price of NAKD either way. So we're in a win-win situation right now. I did see that on NAKD Wall Street. Yeah. The dark pool is just crazy right now, honestly. It was like, what was it? It's 4.3 billion or something shares. It was something like that. It's crazy. Yeah, Fintel, all right, Ken. Triple digits or bust, yeah. Mate, total sum to it's into triple digits. Can the hedge funders jump to long and ride it up? Now, sort of, but not really, because at any point, right, if their contract expires, they're going to have to pay up. They have to be able to cover the shares, and so in that new DTC rule that has just been implemented, right, they have to be able to cover it. It was granted 6 months ago, but they gave the hedge funders 6 months to adjust. So basically, if you short a stock, you have to have the funds available to cover that. So, you know, I think that's going to have a big impact on the price in the upcoming days. NAKT long term, indeed. Diamond hands only, indeed. That's the mindset I've got. NAKD, anyway, it's going to go up in value. NAKD, it's such a good company, fundamentally, right? They have a lot of cash. They go into an e-commerce structure. All of these things that you've probably heard multiple times. It's looking good, honestly. And I've got a lot of faith in NAKD in the upcoming, well, days, months, years, to be honest. It's only going to go up in value, in my opinion. But, you know, I could be wrong. But I'm pretty confident on this one. Does anyone have any questions about NAKD in the chat or any other stocks? I'm more than happy to cover, but I think NAKD is the sole one that I want to focus on today because we're starting a new day with green, so we got to keep it going. Looking at the exponential moving average, how are we looking here? Again, we're looking bullish. We are looking bullish with this. Although, we need it to sort of stay above this top band of the moving average for it to keep going in this upward trend. Okay, Sam, how many shares are shorted? I see so many different numbers on Reddit. So, yeah, so that sheet that I covered before, apparently there was 0.95 times of the market float that was shorted, right? So there was a lot of shorts, like almost the same amount as the float, right? The float cap, or the shares on the float. It was almost around this figure right here, right? So, you know, there is a heck of a lot of shorts right now, but it's very difficult to pinpoint a number on how many there are. But all we know is there's a lot, and it's going to squeeze massively when it does get there. Any merger timers? Not that I know of. How much have I invested in NAKD? So I've currently invested, hold on, let me get my position up. So I currently have £424. Now, this is, you have to bear in mind, I'm a student. I live on a student budget, so I don't have much money to just throw at stuff, but I have still dedicated to the cause. I put in £424 of my own money, which is quite a lot for a student. So, you know, I'm part of this cause as well. We're going through it. Almost got 1,000 shares of NAKD. We love to see it. Any merger news? Not that I've seen, but NAKD does have a ton of cash, like Milton Todd said, so we could see some nice action coming soon. And for anyone who hasn't checked out Milton Todd's channel, I highly encourage you to. They're a great team, Jason and Todd, honestly. So good. Brothers, does NAKD have any mergers that could happen? Would the price skyrocket possibly? Now, the price would skyrocket depending on who the merger was and whether it would actually increase the valuation of NAKD. If it's someone like Bendon who's going to bring the company down, probably not. But because they've opened up a nice amount of market cap, they've got a nice amount of cash, they could really merge with someone very, very good that will add value to the company. Yeah, I appreciate that, Smooth. I appreciate that. Just doing my best there. Just doing my best. But like I say to everyone, like within this chat, only put in money which you can afford to lose. Like I feel like comfortably I can lose that £424 if it came to it. But you know, we're all riding on the fact that NAKD is going to go up in value. So, you know, and all the facts are pointing in that direction. So, you know, I'm not sure what the hedge funders could do behind the scenes, but we're looking on a good path right now. You know, everything's looking up, so we're looking very good. Yeah, I appreciate that, Ken. Thank you very much, mate. Yeah, we're just going through all of the NAKD news today. Has there been any new NAKD news anyone want to bring to light? Did everyone see my video on the NAKD shareholder meeting? That was crazy, that one. Oh my goodness. Wait, naked brand, so. Yo, Allah Larson, how's it going? Welcome to the live stream. It'll bounce back eventually. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it will. I'm very confident it will, actually. Can you see who's holding the most shorts right now? It was removed from Fintel. I don't know. Holders. You see, short positions are a bit different. Top institutional holders. I don't see the shorts though, unfortunately. If anyone can get that information up for me, I'll be very interested to see that. Man, that meeting was hilarious, honestly. I was just... Well, it wasn't at the time, but now I look back on it, it was hella funny. Like, you all saw my reaction. I was here just, like, snoring away, like... I literally caught myself sleeping. That's why I put that clip in, because I actually fell asleep during it. I was like, oh my god. It was so late in the UK. It was like 2 a.m. here when we were going through all that debacle. The meme video was funny. A lot of people are saying the AMC short squeeze is coming. I think NAKD does. Yeah, so I think NAKD, AMC, and GME are all quite connected. If you look at the price action of both, they are fairly similar, actually. And that's because all of them are sort of in that same category, right? And I did make videos on AMC. You see AMC's had a nice run up as well today. And if you look at NAKD, sort of correlates in a way, right? I know it's not like complete the same, right? But that's because of the price differential between the two stocks. But you sort of see like a nice run up with NAKD today, and you see the same with AMC. And everything's just sort of goes hand in hand with these two companies. Like the price action looks almost identical, right? So nice to be I was in the first. I love what you're doing. Yeah, I appreciate that, Allah. I appreciate that. Thank you. It was extraordinary, just like suppose. Mate, honestly, that meeting was something else. It was something else, that meeting, honestly. I say 3 months, it'll be £3.45. Now, my price target for 3 months is $3, right? And that's obviously not counting the squeeze. That's me counting the projection of NAKD. And I want them to either merge with a nice company, something like, you know, maybe Victoria's Secret, something that's going to add value to NAKD, right? I think that's all what we're banking on at the moment. Like, just making them use this cash wisely. To be honest, I'd be more than happy for NAKD to invest in some sort of e-commerce platform. I know that we're Fredericks of Hollywood at the moment, but if they could get their e-commerce structure sorted, get a good PR team in place so we actually know what's going on in the company, and actually put some budget away for marketing, it's going to really improve the brand drastically, right? AMC, a great buy. If I got in, yeah. What's my AMC positions? I actually invest in AMC as well. I'm up about 40. I'm up £50 on AMC and I'm up £36 on NAKD at the moment. So my average price for AMC is currently $8.44. Now, I bought into AMC like all the way back here. This is like my first ever stock I invested in, right? And I think it was in this debacle here, right? So I invested like sort of here, I think. It was like sort of around here. And it was actually here. This is the exact spot where I'm pointing to now in this section here. So this is my first ever buy on the stock market. I just wanted to invest in like a stock and just see how it does. And we saw it have a nice run up here. And, you know, in hindsight, I probably should have sold. But at the same time, you got to hold. You got to hold your positions. I was a part of the movement, so I stayed strong and I held. And look, we're going back to those heights where it was at before. And I averaged my price when it went down as well. So, you know, that was my game plan going to it. Just got to continue the hold. I hope it hits £3. I love that. But I think $3 would be good enough for me, like for the 3 month projection. So I got missed any questions. Chat's quite crazy right now. Will a squeeze in any of the top 3 trigger each other? Very potentially, right? Now, part of the reason why I think GME, because right, if you look at GME and AMC, right, and I'm going to use them as like the examples for this one because their price correlated very much so. Let me add this to the watch list a sec. So you sort of see, right, when this squeezed, it was when was it? It was the 10th of March. This went back up again, right? 10th of March, and if you look at AMC, again, 15th, and we saw a run up actually on the 10th of March. So you sort of see, everything goes quite hand in hand when it comes to the stock market, and especially with these 2 stocks, right? Sundial Growers is great. Sundial Growers, now, so for me, I quite like this company. But at the same time, I've heard I heard Milton Todd talking about the company, and it has marked a few questions in my head about it. Now, I'm not sure whether, because obviously he's a lot more knowledgeable than me on the stock market, right? So part of me thinks, maybe it's a good buy, but maybe it's not. I think right now at the price it's at, it could actually go up quite a lot again. But, you know, I would be skeptical going into this one because apparently, because I looked at this company, right, and I thought that the whole US catalyst could really project the price action of SNDL because it would give them a broader market to actually sell to and not just Canada, right? But it's going to be very interesting to see what happens to this stock. I'm not actually too sure. The price action right now, look, it's sort of opening a nice buy opportunity, but you are risking it a bit for a chocolate biscuit by those things. But yeah, it could be all right. It could be okay. Wall Street Bets won't mention any NAKD from the volume. I think the news is already out there and a lot of people on campus buying it. Yeah, I think so as well. I think the Wall Street Bets are sort of clocking on like, okay, NAKD is a serious player and it could actually make us a lot of money. And I think they're just catching on now from something that we knew was going to happen before, you know? So, you know, happy days. You know, the whole thing, buy the rumors, sell the news. We bought in the rumor and now it's starting to break the news. So, happy days for us, right? What are we thinking NAKD will get to? I bought in at 92 cents a while back, hoping to catch up. I think we'll be at $1 some point. One month. So if we can hit $1 like some point this week, that'd be pog. Like that'd be a great sort of run up. But even if we don't, as long as we sort of keep going up, I don't really mind where we end up. Right, this week at least. £20 in about 3 to 5 years, and as you said, 3 to 6 years is a great price for NAKD. Can't get rid. Yeah, exactly. Like I think, like as a long-term projection, NAKD is going to be a $20 stock in the next probably. I put it as 2 to 3 years. In honesty, the path they're going on with the projection that they have, the amount of cash they have behind them, with the amount of budgeting they have behind them, with the team that they could potentially have behind them. There's a good future for NAKD, I think. I think there is a very good future for NAKD. $650 price target. Yes. $650. Mate, if it hits $650, I'm buying a Lambo. I'll be the richest student going. Newton said the NAKD army controls the stock. I think they do to a degree. But my only problem is, I think that the hedge funders also have a large sort of short position on this stock as well. So obviously that influenced the price. And also as well, you have to think there are a lot of people who are just day trading this stock, and we have to filter out these paper hand people who are just day trading between each other. So, you know, it's definitely something we're going to have to take into account. But, you know, I think that we do control the stock to a degree, but at the same time, we have to filter out the people who are preying on our downfall, if that makes sense. So you have to start filtering them out. Off subject, what is your take on Alpha or Tilray? Bust or moon? I've not actually looked at Alpha. Tilray, again, it's going to be very dependent. They're going to need a catalyst, right? Oh, sorry. APHA. Afaria. Can I just point this out? These sort of graphs look very similar to the likes of SMDL, right? You sort of see, it looks very similar. So I think all the weed stocks just sort of correlate with each other at the moment because they're sort of waiting on a catalyst to really project this stock further, right? But there's definitely potential there. But to answer your question, bust or moon, I think there is still a moon. Well, I'm not sure. What would you classify as moon, Dave? What would you classify as moon? Because I can tell you then whether I think it's going to be a bust or moon. Wait, what? Yo, set for another 5, bro. Yo, I appreciate that, Seth. Man, we need a top donator thing. My goodness. You have 21k shares and average around $1.60, and I'm kind of capped at buying. So I think you'll still do well. What I would do though is if you have capital available, then potentially try average down your position, because then you're not going to be seeing as much red, right? And that was sort of my, because obviously red is a very, very scary color. It represents danger. It represents sort of a warning sign, right? And when you see that, it does put fear in your brain. And, you know, that's why I've slowly averaged down my position. So I'm losing less and less and less as the stock has kept coming down. So, you know, I think that you are going to do well when the squeeze happens, 100%. But it's just going to be how long you're going to stay red for, if that makes sense. But, you know, if you average down your position, you may be in a much better spot, you know, and you may be a lot more comfortable in your position as well. I most certainly was, because I bought into NAKD originally. Let me just check my history on Trend 212 a sec. So yeah, my initial buy price for NAKD was $1.48. So, you know, I was in a similar boat to you, Seb, but I just slowly averaged down my position, and now my average share price is 0.57. So, you know, I've really managed to get it down. $50 a share for the cannabis stocks. Okay, let me put this then. So, is a Furia? Is that that's a, yeah, this is cannabis as well. So, a Furia, yes, there's potential for $50, I think. Tilray, now it's not as high a price if I can remember, right? Tilray, potentially. Sundial, no. Sundial's not going to be a $50 stock in my opinion. But Tilray and I don't know how to pronounce this. Is it Afuria? Afria? I think potentially, but again, you're going to need a lot of catalysts and a lot of things to go right in the stock for that to happen. Moon is $200 and I'll keep holding. No investment advice. Hey, there's no investment advice needed. I think a lot of us are in the same boat. Just a hit, nudge, nudge. But no financial advice. Yeah, until RH trade restrictions kick in. Yeah. The trade restrictions need to kick in soon. They really do. Robinhood, man. That's annoying. But I started at $1.20-ish, but got 3k. That's good. Yeah, like I said, if you average down your position slowly but surely, you're gonna feel a lot more comfortable in your price, right? Because I was scared. I was really scared because obviously, what did I put in? It was about £200, right? Well, what did I actually put in? It wasn't actually that much. It was like £80, right? It was like £80 originally. My original investment at $1.48. And I was scared. I can't swear, but I was scared, right? To put this in perspective. So I was really scared because I was like, oh no, what have I just done? Because it just kept going down and down and down. So what I did, right? I was like calm, went for a walk, made myself a cup of tea, came back, and I was like, okay, I'm calm again. So what did I do? I bought more when it came down, and then I bought another load when it came down even more. I think it's probably one of the best things to do, right? It just makes you feel a lot more comfortable. NAKD is the future to the moon, $200. Again, you never know. I'm not sure like how high this could go. Well, we know how high it could go, right? But I don't know how high it will go. But it's all going to depend on how many people hold, how many people pay per hand out. But, you know, $230 moon. The US government to federally legalize the cannabis. Once that is done, $50 shares. Yeah, to a degree. I think for a Furia, yes. I think for Tilray, yes. But SNDL, because there's so many shares available, I don't think it's going to hit $50 even with that. But I think SNDL could hit between maybe $20. I think I put in my last video. Potentially $20 if that happens, right? But then think of like how big an increase that is. That's a 20 times increase if that actually happens, right? So that's always good. I also need help with this question. So on TD Ameritrade, I'm given the option for buy first, sell first. Also, I could choose buy first, sell last. Does it make a difference when you sell if you were to? So I'm just reading that. Choose buy, sell first, last. So I think I don't think it does make that much of a difference in honesty. I don't think it does. Oh, sicko. No, we're not getting to CTRM. But let's say at 60 cents, then buy again at $1. You want to sell the $1 stocks that you got, but yeah, that's interesting. So I think I don't think there's that much difference in it, Seth, in all honesty. I don't think there is much. I need to actually see what your thing is. If you want to message me on Twitter about it or on the Telegram, whatever, then feel free to. Like, my contacts are all there, so feel free to contact me on it. And, you know, just show me what you're talking about, because I think it'll give me a bit of a better picture of what you're on about. Oh, no worries, Anna, no worries. It's all good. Okay, so, sicko. Let's get over to the bane of my existence, CTRM. I mean, we'll see it's a positive action today at least, but, oh, this is a mess. Okay. Well, let me get on to... Let me do CTRM first, then I'll answer that one. So, in turn, right, CTRM, what do I think of this? Good question. Wait, where's my video paused? Okay. I don't know why the music just paused randomly there. Okay, so to answer your question, CTRM, right now, pain. That's all I've got to say, pain. It was awful, 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 awful. I had such high hopes for this stock. I'm not even gonna lie. Right, so I've been telling my friends to buy into NAKD and CTRM. They bought into it and it's gone down. And that's all because of this public offering they did for 500 million or whatever it was. I don't know. It was crazy. It was absolutely crazy. I've lost a lot of money on it. What am I at now? Let me check my CTRM positions. Yeah, I'm down £92 currently. I invested £181 in an average price of 67 cents. So it's not awful, but at the same time, it is a big blow. It is a massive blow. Especially with the projection of where this stock could have been. It's completely ruined my short-term projection. Yo, Cosmo, relax. Yo, I appreciate that. €5, sorry. I keep forgetting there's different currencies. Yo, I appreciate that, Cosmo. Thank you so much. Oh, man. NAKT Revolution will never give up. Yes. One day to a new beginning. We love that. We love that. Thank you so much. What sort of up-and-coming IPOs you're keeping an eye on? Right, IPOs. Let's have a look at some. Let's have a look at some IPOs. That's a good idea. So, upcoming IPO. Right. Wait, where's it? Oh, NASDAQ. There you go. Okay, let's have a look. So the upcoming ones. So Private Health Group, Privia, PRVA, Hold on. Privia Health Group. Can I just click on this? Does it take me straight to it? A good amount of shares offered. The amount, so it's going to be, Let's have a look at the website of the company. This is how I normally do stocks, right? I look at the company. I have a look at whether I believe in the company, right? Everyone's pro is great. That could be good, potentially. I like that. Yeah, Privia could be good. Privia could be good. Yo, Papa Gorilla with $10. What's going on? You lot are crazy. You lot are absolutely nuts. Thank you so much. Yo, this is insane. Thank you all so much. I don't have words. I don't have words. You lot are insane. Thank you so much, everyone. Oh my goodness. I don't even, mate, I don't even know what to do. This is crazy. I've never had this many donations in one stream. This is crazy. I'm actually sweating. Like, what is this? Right, Endeavour Group Holdings. Let's have a look, right? So, Endeavour Group Holdings, EDR. So, EDR, 21,300, or 21 million, sorry. 21.3 million shares at a total offering amount of 587 million. Now, what's the market cap? Bruh. Allah, you need to relax, bro. Oh, you need to relax. It's crazy. Yo, get yourself 10 shares and get a steak dinner. Thank you so much. Oh, I definitely will. I definitely will. Mate, any donations go back in NAKD, I think. God, there you go to the moon. Yo, I appreciate you all so much. This chat's insane. I don't even know. Allah, what currency is that? Just out of interest. I've never seen that symbol before. Is that like Kron or something? Like, make it rain. Yo, I need to buy more shares, man. Alright. I need to try and regain my cool here. South Korea? Are you from South Korea, Allah? Fair play. South Korea won. Very nice. Fortegra. Again, a lot of these have got a lot of... now, you know what? This one here, Transco Therapeutics. I like the look of this. Now, if you want to know why, this reminds me of UTME. Very low amount of shares with a very, like, quite a low offering. I think this could be a very good one because there'll be a lot of demand for this and it could influence the price. That could really skyrocket it. And it's also a therapeutics company. So anything to do with like medicine, therapeutics, it's going to go up in value eventually, right? I like the look of that one. Yo, Dominic. Yo, Papa Gorilla, stop, man. What is this? What is this? Papa Gorilla, bro. $20. Oh my God. How do I even compose myself? What is this? Oh my God. Thank you all so much. How am I supposed to live stream? I'm not used to getting money like this. Some other streamers probably like, oh yeah, it's like that. I'm not used to this. I'm not used to this in the slightest. Thank you all so much, man. Papa Gorilla, oh my God. You're insane, dude. You're insane. Yeah, Dominic, we're doing well, thank you. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. Oh my God, mate, I'm sweating. I'm actually sweating. You lot are making me sweat right now. This is crazy. This is nuts. So yeah, Transco Therapeutics, I think could definitely be a good IPO to look at. When does it go live? When does this IPO go live? So this expected IPO day is the 28th of April. So I'm going to mark that actually. I think that could be a nice one to look into. Mate, the NAKT community is insane. I don't know what's just happened. I feel like I've just hit a brick wall and it's like, whoa. Like, what? I'm getting whiplash right now. You lot are insane. Thank you so, so much. My goodness. Alright. Why Naked Brand stop pop today? Wait. Have we had a positive... We've had a positive article from the Motley Fool? This like never happens, I swear down. Yeah, no, don't worry, Anna. No, you don't need to send me anything. You don't need to send. No one needs to send me anything, right? You're all fine. You don't have to, right? I appreciate that so much, though. Like, honestly, you lot being here and giving me your time is all I ask for. Honestly, like, it's insane. It's absolutely insane. Like, thank you all so much. Honestly. Naked Brand Group stock climbed 4.8% on Friday. After the swimwear and intimate apparel maker said its shareholder voted to approve the sale of its traditional retail business. Thank God they got rid of Bendon, by the way. Bendon is something else, man. I don't know why did they even go with Bendon in the first place? Question mark. What was the point of putting in Bendon? I would absolutely never invest my money in Bendon. The NAKT army will make it rain. Oh god. Please don't. I don't think I'll be able to cope. Like, you've already made it rain on me. $20. I'm a student. $20 to me. Papa, you sent me $30 today. Like, it's crazy. Wait, what? Can I open up TRX, please? This is the one that I'm really heavily invested in, by the way, everyone. I know you all probably don't care about this song. Oh, do I need to log in? Oh, that's annoying. Damn. Well, TRX is 11 cents. That's good news. Sam to the moon. I appreciate that, Anna. Thank you so much. Yo, actually, hold on. Let me get a few more. Where Ferrari Roma? Mate, I need a tour of Ferraris. I need a Ferrari as well, mate. I need a Ferrari. I need everything. Give me all the supercars. I want a garage out there just stacked.
Here comes the money. Here we go.
What is this? Ziegler. Oh my god. This is insane. This is you lot are just insane. This is nuts. This is absolutely nuts. Thank you all so much, man. It's honestly, it means the world, honestly. Papa Gorilla with the $50. I can't cope. What is this? Oh my god. What do I even say? Thank you? What? Bro! Oh my dear god. Bro. What is going on? What? Man. Thank you so much. Honestly, this is nuts. I'm shocked. I'm shell shocked. How am I supposed to stream now? Like what? I don't know how streamers are supposed to get used to this. Like I don't know. I can't even cope right now. Oh my goodness. Yo, Papa Gorilla, thank you so much. Honestly, like you donated like what? $80 and Ziegler as well. Oh my goodness gracious me. Oh yes, we are going to the moon. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I will be buying more NAKD. I definitely will. This is all going towards NAKD. Oh my god. Mate, I'm actually shaking. What is this? I've never been like camera shy at all. Like I've sort of developed a way to be good at talking to a camera. But when people are like throwing money my way, it's like, whoa. Like, I don't expect it. Like, honestly, thank you so much. Honestly, you giving me your time is enough. Honestly, you don't have to pay. Honestly. Oh, this is insane. I don't know how do I even talk about NAKD now? Oh my god. Yo, thank you so much, honestly. Papa Gorilla doesn't even fit on my screen. What is this? Hold on, let me put that down a bit. There we go. Holy moly. No, let's not make it 100. That's not. I'm dying. I'm dying here. Right. Now, how do people do this? And another $20. Oh my god, bro. Oh my goodness. And Cosmo with 5. Yeah. Oh my god. Yo, you lot are killing me. You lot are killing me off. Oh my god. How do I just ignore it, Dominic? Though? How do streamers do this? How do they just ignore it? Like what? That's insane. That's insane, man. Oh my god. You lot are something else. You lot are something else. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Mate, you lot are making me tear up. What is this? Like, this is insane. I never thought that I would be able to get and Ziegler with another 5. Oh my god. How do I talk? How do I talk, man? I'm losing all my senses. I don't know how to talk now. Yo. I'm in shock. Oh my god. How do I talk? Yo, I appreciate that, Wilma. Thank you. And Ziegler, Cosmo, Papa Gorilla, Sev, everyone who's donated. I've probably missed someone. Hold on, let me scroll up. Alar as well. Honestly, you lot are goated, honestly. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Oh my goodness. Well, on the plus side, NAKD's coming out into a good canal right now. How do I do this? Oh, okay, let's try and normalize it again. Okay, NAKD's in a nice upward canal. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I appreciate that, Anna. Thank you. And Ziegler and Papa, everyone in the chat, honestly. NAKT Army, I love you. Thank you so much, honestly. Yeah, mate, this family is, yeah, it's something else. I've never, yeah. I'm shocked. I'm so shocked. Thank you so much, everyone, honestly. It means the world. My lips fucking quivering. What is this? Oh my god. Some news about the podcast? Oh, yeah, so, okay, back down to, okay. So, the podcast, right? Alright, so the podcast, right? So, I've sent an email to Milton, right? His producer sent one back, and I have now put out to him, like, when we're going to do it. So, I'm hoping it's going to happen within the next 2 weeks. As soon as I get a date confirmed, then I will put it in the chat, or I'll promote it somehow. I'll probably get a graphic made up from one of my editors and stuff. But yeah, honestly. But yeah, there will be some good stuff going on with that podcast. It's going to be very fun. So I'm going to be jumping on Risk On, and Milton's going to be jumping on Trading Fleet as well. Yeah, so we're doing like a little swap deal. So it's good. Yeah, we just honestly, if you lot could get like as many people in here as possible, that would mean the world, honestly. Like, you know, this is crazy. The more people in here, the more people who will get to know about NAKD at the end of the day, right? So, yeah. His illness is mainly on Twitter. I actually do have a Twitter if anyone wants to check it out. It's in the description down below. Feel free to check that out. I do try and post as regularly as possible. So, yeah. Actually, I say that. I haven't posted in a while. But, yeah. Wow. Okay, now, for anyone who wasn't in here at the start, yeah, I appreciate that a lot. I do feel like I'm the NAKD brand ambassador right now. Like, I'm basically the best thing they have to a PR at the moment, because let's be honest, their PR sucks in that company. Like, their PR team is atrocious. I think the NAKD army is pretty much the PR team. Right, let's do a quick analysis, right? For anyone who wasn't in here at the start of NAKD, because I'm shocked, honestly. I don't know what to do. So right now, NAKD is in a nice bullish trend. The MACD is very positive right now. The exponential moving average, again, we're still above this level of support. We're sort of breaking down to this band down here, but hopefully it will create a nice little support structure here, and hopefully go back up to potentially break this canal. Actually, I would love to see it breach above this 7 cents mark at the end. Yeah, I appreciate that. Everyone who's donated, honestly, thank you all so much. You're all insane. I love you all so much. Oh, hello. I saw a green candlestick. It got me excited there. Yeah, the RSI. So we're now we're coming down a bit on the RSI, but we are starting to get back to a bit more bullish trend. We're still around 60 on the RSI, so it's like a slightly overbought now. It's not like majorly overbought that it was before, but you know, it's still in a good cycle. It's still bullish, so that is the main thing. And you know, when I see the RSI like down the bottom and below, like sort of around, so when a stock's oversold, what you'll see is the RSI drop below to about 30, and that's when you'll probably see some bearish action, and they potentially open up a buy opportunity, right? And you know, like I said, I'm not a financial expert, but I'm a student that tries to relay knowledge onto you that I'm learning myself. So this is what I gathered pretty much. And you know, if any of you like have any suggestions for me to get better, then feel free to correct me in the comments down below or in the chat or whatever. Like, you know. Yeah, this is nuts. What about the normal moving average? How are we looking at? Oh, what's this? Interesting. So the moving average 5 is crossed over with the moving average 1, 2, and 3. So that, again, bullish. Bullish. We love to see it. We absolutely love to see it. Does anyone have any questions in the chat? Any questions in the chat? Anyone want to know anything NAKD related? Any stock related? I feel like I've done a good analysis of NAKD now for everyone. So if you don't have any other stocks you want to throw it my way, then feel free. You know, I did CTRM briefly. The weekly chart of MVIS. Okie dokie. Let's have a look at MVIS. Microvision. We love Microvision. What? What, Papa? What? Bro. What? What has just happened? What it, bro? Papa Gorilla. Papa Gorilla. And Ziegler. Oh, not this again. Oh my god. I was just collecting my cool and then this happens. Oh my god. Bro, you lot are insane. Oh my goodness. I'm okay, microvision. What is this? What's happening? I've almost gone through my water trying to fulfill awkward silences. This is crazy. I'm in shock. I'm in shock. Oh my goodness. Yo, can you see this? Look how shaky my hands are. What? Analar with, oh my goodness. What is going on? What is going on? I've just streamed for 1 hour. The second wave has begun. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to breathe. I need to breathe. Okay, I need to breathe. I need to breathe. Oh my god, just numbers. Just numbers. Wait. Oh my goodness. You pretty much doubled my NAKD position at this rate. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. Thank you all so much, honestly. You're all insane. Absolutely insane. Okay, MViz 1 week. Let's... Oh, wow. Wait, is this forming the W? No. Oh, wait. Hold on. No, not quite. But that is disgusting. That is a disgusting just run up here. Like, what is this? This is insane. And I'm talking about both, the stream and this. Cosmo, yeah, that's probably what I'm going to be doing, in all honesty. Gotta capitalize on the riches, right? Keep increasing it. Buy the dips. Oh my goodness. The run-up's like my super hats. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that run-up is crazy. Yeah, I could turn... How much have I made this? I don't even know. It doesn't even say anywhere. I have no idea how much how much you lot have given me, but it must be close to... It must be over $200, honestly. Like, it's been crazy, honestly. I'm lost for words. I'm absolutely lost for words. Velodium with 10. Yo. Yo, I appreciate that, Velodium. Thank you. Yo, we've been here since the beginning. We love that. The journey's just starting, everyone. The journey's just starting. We're gonna keep getting bigger. We're gonna keep taking NAKD to new heights, hopefully. And hopefully make everyone a lot of money. That's the goal, at least, you know. We will have some shaky roads, but I'm hoping that we will get that Lambo that we were waiting for, right? ZCZZSAN. Zizano Pharmaceuticals. I just want a Honda Civic. Mate, I'll take a Honda Civic. What have I got? I'm driving a Ford Focus at the moment. It's a 2010 Ford Focus I drive. Well, I say I bought it. My dad bought it. Honestly, like, my dad just paid for it for me, but. Well, it was my dad's car originally, but then he moved to Northern Ireland, so that's why like I only see him now and again. Nice level of support on Zizano. I'm not sure. Again, quite a nice buy opportunity. If it does have a nice run up back up to like this mark up here, around this, you know, 1.43 mark. I just don't know what the support level's looking like. Maybe like sort of around 1.13, $1.13. You're probably looking at the support level right now. MMED. All right, let's have a look. Weekly chart of MMED. Wow. Disgusting. What is this? This was like an IPO. Is this an IPO? Was this an IPO? This MMED? What's my position in NAKD? Oh wait, do you mean in NAKD, Antonio, or in what? Sorry. Yeah, that's a disgusting run up. This must be an IPO because there's not much data on this one, unless... Yeah, no, it's a IPO. But you sort of see the run up though. Yeah, so on AKD, my position is currently £424, and my average price is now... my average price is currently 0.57 cents. I'll show you on the screen. Can you all see that? I don't know. So that's my current position in NAKD at the moment. And it probably seems to be more. What I'm probably going to do is I'm going to wait for another dip, because I feel like it could dip again at some point before a massive run up. I'm sort of taking a gamble with that, but I think we may see another dip, I don't know. Hopefully, I'm sort of hoping we don't, but at the same time, I'm sort of hoping we do, so there's another buy opportunity, you know? So. Non-IPOs listed from Neo to NASA. Okay. Fair enough. Yeah, again, that could be a good company to look at. Is there any reason for that, Akash? Was there any reason for that run-up, or was there, like, any news that broke out about the company? Exactly. It doesn't matter if it dips again. It's not a buy opportunity at the end of the day, right? Well, I think I'm gonna end this stream here. Like, honestly, this has been insane. It's been absolutely insane. What's the background music? It's from YouTube. I just put on a funky playlist from the YouTube non-copyrighted place, so... but yeah, honestly, thank you all so much for sticking by, and all the donations, honestly, like Papa Gorilla, Sev, Validum, Allah, Ziggler, Cosmo. Is that everyone? Allah, Sev as well. Honestly, you're all going. I can't thank you all enough for the support on this channel. Honestly, it's absolutely insane. I can't thank you enough, honestly. Well, with that being said, thank you for watching. This has been Sam from Mono Train. See you next video or live stream on the channel.